Today we're going to teach you how to draw a potato. Now, first thing you're going to want to do is get yourself a potato. There's your potato right there. Now, what you're going to want to do is find the best looking side of it here. Now, all of it looks pretty good. Potatoes usually look pretty good. But so you probably don't want that in there unless you want something to diversify your potato from the others. Now, this side looks the best to me, so I'm going to use that. Slap that down right there so you can kind of get a visual representation of it here. And let's move that camera up so you can kind of see the potato too. Okay, there we go. Now, the second thing you're going to want to do is dust that dirt right off your page. You know, you probably got some dirt on it from your potato, so you're going to want to clean that up because you don't want it real scruffy like. Now, first thing you're going to want to do, I guess this is the third thing you want to do, pardon me, you're going to want to get the nice rough shape of that potato here. Alright, so see it kind of goes like this, and we're going to get a nice round. There, okay. So you got your basic shape here. See, now you're going to want to add, see the little blemishes here? There's kind of a lot of light here. See how the light's kind of hitting right there? We're going to want to get that shading here on that side, so we're just going to play with it here. Kind of trace that shading here, like that. And maybe I can get that potato here. See how it's got that little bum right here? Got that little butt chin. You're gonna want to add that in here. But see, the beauty about pencils is you can erase it. If it was a pen, you probably couldn't erase it. But here you can make it look. You can make it look pretty good. Get out of there. You can make it look pretty good here. See, like that. And don't worry about these old sketch lines. That kind of makes it look good in the end. See how I got? It's kind of too round right here, so I just want to kind of smooth it out like it's supposed to look, and come up and around like that. So we're gonna erase that line again. It's pencil, kind of comes up, down, maybe a little bit here, kind of makes that bum right down, right chair. Now, where's my? There we go. Okay. See, we're gonna erase that here again. It's pencil. Nothing. My little eraser here can't handle. Actually, as good as that looks, see, sometimes you gotta go back in. It's kind of got that little bump there. Kind of make that look a little bumpy. We're gonna grab that. This little eyeball here, that's a little too far up here, so we're gonna erase that. Come in here. Look kind of like an oval eyeball. This one's kind of darker in here in that section. Kind of like that. I wonder what it's like to see like a potato. I don't know. That's kind of existential right there. Like the fattest pencil I got this 8B, I believe. Yeah, the 8B. See there. And then just darken the crap out of the outline so you can see it. Now, some artists might disagree, but you know, I'm a professional artist here, so I'd probably trust me. Okay, we'll probably want to darken these eyeballs a little bit here. But see how there's that kind of glow right there on the potato. We're gonna want to grab that in here like that. Now it's looking pretty good to me. Now see, we kind of got those darker spots here, so we're going to want to grab is your. I'd like to grab something in between, maybe like this 4B. It's not as dark as the 8B, but I'm gonna grab that in there. Now, what you're going to want to do now is take the pencil. You can do any pencil you want here. Kind of go do a lot of this here. See how it's got those spots there? You just want to, you know, just poke the crap out of it. Now we're probably going to want to blend this in here. Like, see, that was a little bit too dark there. But see, again, pencil. And erase just a hair like that. Ooh, looking real good here. This is probably my final project. I'm probably gonna sign it right here. See, I like to grab my big old fat pencil, my 8B again, just to sign this, because this is a work of art, and you want people to know who drew this. I'll just write my name here. See, sometimes I like to add that flair here at the bottom with that line. Maybe put even like a little Nike check right there. Actually, that might be a little too trademark here. Let's erase that, because again, we're writing a pencil, and we can just Maybe kind of come over like that. Boom. That little flare there kind of helps. Anyway, I'm Jethro, and thank you so much for watching my tutorial. I hope you really liked it. Please leave a thumbs up in that comment section.